Let's make an engagement ring for this 2.16 carat oval diamond. Watch till the end and I'll show you something unique about this mounting. Using a high-powered microscope, I carefully remove enough gold from each prong so the diamond fits perfect. I also make sure the gold under the diamond has a good polish. I'm happy with how the diamond fits inside the ring, so now it's time to go around and tighten the stone. This is an incremental process that I take my time on, ensuring that the stone is straight and level. I clip off the excess material and shape the prongs with a special file that's designed to not damage the gemstone. I use a variety of rubber abrasive wheels to remove any tool marks, and then the ring gets a final polish. A quick bath in the ultrasonic cleaner removes any of the polishing compound, and now the ring's ready for the customer. A unique feature about this ring is the single stone on either side. This is called a peekaboo setting. I've made engagement rings like this before with his and her birthstones on either side. It's a small detail that makes your engagement ring that much more unique and a symbol of you and your partner together. We didn't do that for this particular ring, but it is an option. Thanks for watching.
My diamond fell out of my engagement ring and I was wondering if it can be fixed.
Do you happen to go into hot tubs or swim in swimming pools often?
Yeah, I actually swim every day.
Oh wow, yeah, that's probably our issue here.
Let me show you how bad chlorine is for gold jewelry. First sign of chlorine damage are these bubbles formed where the prongs have broken. Chlorine is considered a halogen, which attacks the crystal structure of the alloy inside the gold. This makes the gold extremely brittle and easy to break. I'm going to replace the white gold crown with a platinum crown because of its added durability. I always recommend setting diamonds in the platinum prongs. They last so much longer than white gold. The diamond gets reset and gets a quick bath in our ultrasonic cleaner, and it's looking good as new. Common household bleach also causes the same damage that chlorine does, so be sure to take off your jewelry while swimming, enjoying the hot tub, or cleaning. When a ring gets stuck on your finger, you have two options. We either remove the ring or we remove your finger. Today, I'll show you how we do the first option. We use this special saw that's powered by a drill motor. It's a quick and painless process. Here, one of our jewelers is carefully spreading open the ring, giving the customer more space to slide the ring over their knuckle. This is actually the most dangerous part of the process because of the sharp edges of the ring. This customer plans on wearing this ring on a different finger, so we'll need to get an accurate measurement to determine what size I need to make this ring. I do a quick assessment of the repair and I notice that this ring is actually made of two pieces. I also discovered that there's some cracking on the inside of the ring that someone else previously tried to repair with solder. First, I need to determine the actual size of the ring in its current state. To do this, I tack the ring together with my laser welder so I can get an accurate measurement on my ring mandrel. This ring needs to be decreased to half size to fit properly. I'll remove a small amount of material using this ring guillotine. I'll clean up the cut with some filing now, and that way I can have a seamless solder joint. I use special pliers that squeeze the ring together for a perfect fit. I then apply some flux and I solder the ring back together. I then use some different abrasives to clean up the solder joint. Finally, I fill in those pesky cracks on the inside of the ring with my laser welder. The ring then gets a quick polish and clean, and it's back to like new condition. Thanks for watching.